Hey, welcome back to the farm. We're going to continue on our fence build, and you remember in our last video we did the corners. I went ahead and got those set afterwards. I didn't film that, it's just a repeat. So now we're going to start our corner bracing. I'm going to run a diagonal brace this way and one down this way, and that way when I tighten the fence up, it'll keep it from moving allegedly. So basically just went and got some 2x4s. Cheapest thing right now. I used to use those landscape timbers, and they used to be like less than $2, but they're more than a 2x4 now. So we're gonna use a 2x4. And there's that magic about this. I'm just gonna come up about 4 foot, put me a line or a scratch. Take my 2x4. Hold it there, hold it here, and then we're going to kind of mark it best we can. This would be easier with 2 people. I'm just curious if this is a 45. I'm just going to check it. No. All right, now we're going to cut it. Yeah, that battery's gone. Yeah, it's not perfect. And I've got some exterior screws I'm going to use to screw it in with. Got a new hammer for Christmas from my mama. Milwaukee, 19 ounce with a waffle head. Yes, it's got good balance to it, so we'll gonna try it out and see how it does. Let's move to the next one over here. All right, let's go cut this. It's pretty good there. Thank goodness for cordless saws. And when we first moved out here and I did the original fencing, and we had fencing here and down this way. We had some lots up here that we'd keep our bottle calves in. I had to do it all by hand, dig it by hand. And when I put these corner braces in, I had to take a hand saw and saw. Thank goodness cordless saws has come in. Cordless tools have come a long way, thank the Lord. So anyway, it's getting dark, so I'll finish the other two tomorrow. We'll be the same video, and we'll get our fence or our gate spot. So I'll see you back here tomorrow. All right, so we're back out here, and we'll go ahead and set a gate. I kind of changed my mind. Tentatively changed my mind. I'm not going to put a gate on this side, so I'm just going to put one here. So we're going to go ahead and set it first and kind of look at it and make our mind up where we're going to put the other gate. But I got the hose started, so I'm gonna get my post hole digger and dig it. And one thing that was left out of the other video is me tamping it in. Just cut it out, so I'm gonna show you that this time, how we tamp it to make it tight. And I also show you why we let it rain up there. I don't know, I might have accidentally covered it up, but you know, we let them, I like to sit here and let them rain on it a couple times. That up there settled about that much, so I filled it up as I was walking by. So let's go ahead and get this hole dug, and we'll set the post, and I'll show you how we mount a gate. Usually I think I do it after I put the wire, but because I want to kind of look at it and see if I'm gonna like it or not, I'm gonna go ahead and set this one gate anyway. So let's get started. Okay, I got the first round of dirt put in here, and what I do, I take my shovel handle, turn it around, and pack her in there. Just tamps it, compacts the dirt around it, and then you put more on top of it. I think they make tamps that you can buy that's got like a piece of metal with a round thing on it. That works pretty good, but I just don't have it. Alright, and as I said there, and that's where the rain comes in. It'll come in and settle this even more, then I'll put the rest of that dirt around there, or I'll remove it. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can get the gate started. And alright, first thing I'm going to do is make a plumb line on this, and then that'll help me when I drill my holes, and also keep the gate from cocking. You want to be pretty plumb when you put it on there, that way it'll swing right. So. Alright, so I got a pretty good scratch mark. Now I'm going to pick the gate up, and I think I'm going to pick it up with my tractor and mark my holes, and then I'm going to drill me some holes, and I got some hinges we'll put in there. So let's get that set up. Okay, I got some hinges. I picked these up at the co-op, and of course this gate we bought when we first bought this property back, what, 26 or 7 years ago. So it was actually, we put a wood fence down the front of it and put this gate so we could kind of keep it secure as we was building the house. So that's how old this gate is, and it's held up really well. But I've lost the hinges somewhere, so I'd go buy these. Don't buy them at Tractor Supply, they're like 15 bucks. These are $3 at the co-op. So, and I got a 3/8 wood bit. Got this for Christmas. I got a whole set of them. Thank the Lord. Of course, I'll probably lose them. Now, I've got it set kind of where I want it, and I'm gonna set the bottom one, or mark the bottom one. And the top one's kind of adjustable, so. One thing about these old wet green posts, you don't want to go too far or you'll lose your bit. You won't be able to get it out. Alright, let's see if I got something to drive these in with. Alright, I went and found me a piece of pipe, and I think this is what you need. They make a little device that goes on there, it goes in your impact, but I don't do enough of them to fool with, so I just found this piece of pipe, and it's going good. I think you can also take a crescent wrench and put the end around it, or even a boxing wrench and put around it and do it that way. Top one I think you want down, the bottom one you want pointing up. So I'll get the bottom one, we'll come back. Okay, we got it. I mismeasured on this one, so I had to move it up a couple inches. Still got this loose, and I'm gonna check it for level. Just and it's come way up. So I need to tighten this up some more. So I'm gonna take this back off, tighten it, and we'll be right back. All right, so I went one whole turn in, and it's within the bubble, so I'm gonna call that good. I gotta tighten this up. I'll pull it that way another ½ inch. So I'm at the end of the video here. My battery's running out and it's getting dark. Appreciate you coming along for the ride. Let's set another post over there. I'll do that in the next video, and maybe we'll get to setting some metal posts, and then we'll get to putting some fence up. So hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. I can't remember which end is it, on this one or this one. So one of the corners, there's a little red subscribe button. Hit that. You'll be notified every time we post a video. Support your local farmer. We appreciate you watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one down here on the farm.